Hello everybody, Matteo here and again I welcome you in my little RC garage. Today to a new unboxing video. Thanks for being here and watching this. It's the brand new J4 kit from MST. It comes on the well-known and approved CFX chassis. Here on the side is a picture of the chassis and some motor options are explained. This kit comes without motor and electronics, so it's up to you what components you like to use. On the other side of the box, some key features of the chassis are explained. Steel CVDs on the front axle, metal transmission gears, oil dampers, four-link suspension, front motor mount and a great steering angle. But now, let's open the box. As first, here are the rims with foam inserts and the tires. Okay. In this bag are all the parts. These are some hard plastic details for the body, light buckets and so on. These are all the other parts to build the chassis. And here you can see the very nice body made in polycarbonate. It looks awesome. It has to be cut and painted. These are the chassis rails made in metal. And this is something new on a CFX kit. These are inner fenders. I really like this a lot. It gives a much better and more realistic look to the car. It's great to see these are already included in the kit and already black painted. In this bag are the decals. And here is the build manual and some more stickers. Here this sheet explains how to install the inner fenders. And this is the build manual for the body. Also, all maskings for the windows are included. This helps a lot on the paint job. All the smaller part bags are marked with a number. These numbers helps a lot to find the correct parts and screws during the build. The build manual itself is very well made, with a lot of good illustrations and important notifications. The needed parts bags are marked with these numbers. So it's not a big deal to build this truck and it's really a big pleasure. Also some tools, oil and greases included. As option parts I will install these steel drive shafts, but these are not included in the kit. So I'm looking forward to build this nice RC scale crawler. Soon I'll show you the finished car in a running video. So stay tuned to see this and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please give me a thumbs up for this video if you liked it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.